A carboxylic acid is an organic acid characterized by the presence of at least one carboxyl group. A carbonyl group and a hydroxyl group together make a carboxyl group. The general formula of a carboxylic acid is R C double bond O OH, where R can be an alkyl group or an aromatic group. Methanoic acid is the simplest carboxylic acid where the carboxyl group is attached to a hydrogen. Its common name is formic acid and it is found in ants. 2-carbon carboxylic acid is called ethanoic acid. Its common name is acetic acid and it is found in vinegar. 3-carbon carboxylic acid is called propanoic acid. Carboxyl group attached to a benzene ring is called benzoic acid. Salts and esters of carboxylic acids are called carboxylates. First part of the lab we compare the physical properties of acetic acid and benzoic acid and its salts. Second part of the lab we will make some esters and also perform the hydrolysis of esters. First we check the solubility of carboxylic acid. We use benzoic acid and acetic acid. Smaller carboxylic acids, that is one with 1 to 5 carbons, are soluble in water, whereas the higher carboxylic acids are less soluble due to the increasing hydrophobic nature of the alkyl chain. Place 2 ml of water in 2 test tubes. Add 5 drops of acetic acid to 1 test tube. Acetic acid is soluble in water. Add a small amount of benzoic acid into the other test tube. Benzoic acid is not soluble in water. Use the same solution to check the pH. Compare with the pH indicator. Dip a stirring rod into the solution and touch it to the pH paper. Compare with the pH paper indicator. The pH is around 4. Place the test tube of benzoic acid in a hot water bath and heat for 5 minutes. Allow the test tube to cool. Now benzoic acid is completely soluble after heating. Add about 10 drops of sodium hydroxide to each test tube until a drop of the solution turns red litmus paper into blue. Next, add about 10 drops of hydrochloric acid to each sample until it is neutralized. Addition of hydrochloric acid causes the precipitate formation in the benzoic acid added test tube. Blue litmus paper changed to red confirms the neutralization. Esters are derived from carboxylic acids. A carboxylic acid contains the COOH group. In an ester, the hydrogen in this group is replaced by a R group. The R group can be an alkyl or an aromatic group. Esters are found in fats and oils, and it is responsible for the aroma and flavor of fruits and flowers. Esterification or ester formation is the reaction of a carboxylic acid and alcohol in the presence of an acid catalyst. For example, the reaction between ethanoic acid, which is a carboxylic acid, and methanol, which is an alcohol, in the presence of an acid catalyst produce methyl ethanoate, an ester, and water. The name of an ester consists of two words derived from the name of the alcohol and the acid in that ester. The first word indicates the alkyl part from the alcohol. Methyl comes from alcohol part. The second word is the carboxylate name of the carboxylic acid. Ethanoate comes from carboxylic acid part. For making esters, we have sets of alcohols and carboxylic acids. I am choosing 1-octanol as my alcohol and acetic acid as my carboxylic acid. Place 3 ml of octanol in a test tube. Add 2 ml of glacial acetic acid. Mix well. Next, add 15 drops of concentrated phosphoric acid. Mix well. Place the test tube in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Remove the test tube and cautiously fan the vapors towards you. For a stronger odor, place 15 ml of hot water in a small beaker and pour the ester solution into the hot water and fan the vapors towards you. 1-octanol and acetic acid in the presence of phosphoric acid reacts to form octyl acetate and water. This is our ester with a fruity orange smell. Esters undergo acid hydrolysis and base hydrolysis. In acid hydrolysis, ester reacts with the water to produce a carboxylic acid and an alcohol in presence of an acid catalyst. For example, ethyl formate hydrolyzed to form formic acid and ethanol. Base hydrolysis is also known as a saponification, is the reaction of an ester with a strong base. It produces salt of carboxylic acid and an alcohol. Ethyl ethanoate or ethyl acetate reacts with the sodium hydroxide and produce sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate and ethanol. In the lab, we hydrolyze the ester methyl salicylate. Place 3 ml of water into a test tube. Add 5 drops of methyl salicylate. Fan the vapors towards you. It has a minty smell. Next, add 1 ml of 10% NaOH solution. Place the test tube in a boiling water bath for 30 minutes or until the layer of esters disappears. After the solution is cool, add about 1 ml of 10% hydrochloric acid until a drop of the solution turns the blue litmus paper red. Addition of hydrochloric acid generates white precipitate of salicylic acid from methyl salicylate. Hydrolysis of esters yields a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. In the lab, we performed base hydrolysis of methyl salicylate, which is present in wintergreen, yields sodium salt of methyl salicylate and methanol. Sodium salt in the presence of an acid converted into salicylic acid, which is a white crystalline solid.